Hello friends, first of all, this introduce myself Sujata BCS from Iron College Hajipur Vaishali. Today discuss the generation of computer. Generation of computer generation. Generation in computer terminology is a change in technology a computer is being used. Initially, the generation term was used to distinguish between varying hardware and technology. But nowadays, generation includes both hardware and software, which together make up an entire computer system. There are totally 5 computer generations known date. Each generation has been discussed in detail along with their time periods characteristics. We have used approximate date against each generation which are normally accepted. First generation. The period of first generation was 1946 to 1959. First generation of computer started with using vacuum tube as the basic components for memory and circuitry for CPU, central processing unit. These tubes, like electric bulbs, produce a lot of heat and were prone to frequent fusing of installation, therefore were very expensive and could be afforded only by very large organizations. In this generation, mainly batch processing operating systems were used. In this generation, punch card, paper tab, magnetic tab, input and output device were used. There were machine code and electric wire board. Main features of first generation: vacuum tube technology, unreliable, supported machine language only, very costly, generate a lot of heat, slow input-output device. Huge size, need of AC, not portable, consume lot of electricity. Some computer of this generation was ENIAC, EDIVAC, UNIVAC, IBM 701 and last is IBM 650. Second generation. The period of second generation was 1959 to 1965. This generation using the transistor were cheaper, consumed less power, more compact in size, more reliable and faster than the first generation. Machine made of vacuum tubes. In this generation, magnetic cores were used as primary memory and magnetic tabs and magnetic disks as secondary device. In this generation, assembly language and high-level language like Fortran, COBOL was used. There was batch processing and multi-programming operating system used. Some computers of this generation were IBM 1620, IBM 7094, CDC 3600, UNIVAC 1108. Main features of second generation: use of transistor, reliable as compared to first generation computer, small size compared to first generation computer, generate less heat of compared to first generation computer, consume less electricity as compared to first generation of computer, faster than the first generation of computer, still very costly, AC needed, supported. Third generation. The period of third generation was 1965-1971. The third generation of computer is marked by the use of integrated circuits. In place of transistor, a single IC has many transistors, resistors and capacitors along with the associated circuitry. The IC was invented by Jack Kirby. This development made computers smaller in size, reliable and efficient. In this generation, remote processing, time sharing, real-time, multi-programming operating system were used. High-level language Fortran 2 to 4, COBOL, Pascal PR, BASIC, ALGOL 68 etc. were used during this generation. Some computers of this generation was IBM 360 series, Honeywell 600 series, PDP Personal Data Processor, IBM 370-168, EDC 380. Main features of third generation. IC used more reliable, smaller size, generate less heat, faster, laser maintenance, still costly, AC needed, consume laser electricity, support high level language. Fourth generation. The period of fourth generation was 1971 to 1980. The fourth generation of computer is marked by the use of very large scale integrated VLSI circuits. VLSI circuits having about 5000 transistors and other circuit elements and their associated circuit on a single chip made it possible to have microcomputer of fourth generation. Fourth generation computer become more powerful, compact, reliable and affordable. As a result, it gave rise to personal computer PC revolution. In this generation, time sharing, real-time networks, distributed operating system were used. All the higher level language like C and C++, DBASE, etc. were used in this generation. Main features of fourth generation. VLSI technology were very cheap, portable and reliable, use of PC, very small size, pipeline processing, no AC needed, concept of internet introduced, great development in the field of networks, computer become easily available. Some computers of this generation were DEC 10, Star 1000, PDP 11, Cray 1 supercomputer, Cray XMP supercomputer. Fifth generation. The period of fifth generation is 1980 till date. In the fifth generation, the VLSI technology became ULSI, ultra large scale integration technology, resulting in the production of microprocessor chip having 10 million electronic components. This generation is based on parallel processing hardware and AI, artificial intelligence software. AI is an emerging branch in computer science which interprets means and method of making computer things like human beings. All the higher level languages like C and C++, Java, Net, etc. are used in this generation. AI include robotics, neural networks, game playing, development of expert system to make decision in real life situation, natural language understanding and generation. The main features of fifth generation are new LSI technology, development of true artificial intelligence, development of natural language processing, advancement in parallel processing, advancement in superconductor technology, more user-friendly interface with multimedia features, availability of very powerful and compact computer at cheaper rate. Some computer types of this generation: desktop, laptop, notebook, ultrabook, Chromebook. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment.